we're heading to Old San Juan, where it's new meets the old. Beautiful architecture. You're going to travel throughout time and history. There's colorful buildings. It's beautiful. It's known for its gastronomy, and I am very excited for this big surprise for you chocolate lovers. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it just as much as me. Come on, let's see. Just arrived here at Choco Cortez in Old San Juan. They are from the Chocolate Cortez family. Let's Choco see what they have for us. I think the drink is gonna have chocolate. I'm very excited.
Buen día. My name is Andre. I'm the general manager here at Choco Cortez in Viejo San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm gonna show you how to make our signature cocktail, the Choco Martini, featuring Bacardi Superior white rum. This recipe is gonna be enough for 2 cocktails so that you can share it with a loved one. We're gonna start out with 4 tablespoons of Cortez instant chocolate mix. All of these ingredients are gonna go straight into the blender, so it's nice and easy. Got my blender down here. We've got 5 ounces of milk. Two ounces of cream liqueur. And then of course 2 ounces of our Bacardi. We'll top it off with a cup of ice and blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. I've got one already prepared here. Now with our martini glass, we're going to get a nice chocolate rim on the outside. So we'll dip it in some water and then in the instant chocolate, like so. Pour in the Choco Martini. So you have a nice slushy consistency there. And then we'll finish it off with Forteza. This is going to be a 72% dark chocolate flavored with sea salt. Just get some over the top. And there you have it. Choco Cortez Choco Martini.
Chocolicious.
Rico Chocolate Cortez awaits you.